I work in my home studio. I say home studio, it's basically a conservatory space come laundry room with a desk. On one side, I get through my creative workflow, and on the other side is where the washing machine and dryer is kept, often with a ton of clothes either done or in a queue waiting to get done. So I'm always looking for solutions to make sure I can minimize areas that can cause disruptions or slow down what I can get done. One of my many challenges is setting up and recording talking head footage as quickly as possible. As you can see, my makeshift lighting setup consists of a light stand with my Neewer SL60W and softbox sitting on top of my desk. I've had the light now for well over 6 years, and although it has served me well, it is large and eats up desk space. Plus, having a softbox looming over me constantly is a little foreboding, I feel. So after some consideration, I purchased with my own money, the Amaran Verge Max. Now this is not a sponsored video, just in case you're wondering, but I wanted to bring it to attention. When space is at premium, anything that helps reduce the clutter can only be a good thing. Up until now, I've only done a little research into flat panel lights, but I've never committed, as a lot of the models I've come across were either not big enough to match the light of my current setup, too expensive at the time, or they felt a little over-engineered in functionality. I wanted something that was simple to set up and wouldn't take up too much space. The Amaran Verge Max comes in this giant box. I went for the white edition as I'm kind of fatigued with a lot of the black electronics and devices on the market. The light panel itself, not accounting for the casing, is approximately 555 millimeters in diameter, or just shy of 22 inches. The first thing I noticed when I opened the box was how thin it was. Now my phone, in this case, is only slightly thinner. It comes with a vertical table mount, a desk clamp, an adjustable swivel arm, power supply and USB cable. And that's it, not even a manual. Setup took only a matter of minutes. Once I'd locked in the table clamp, I then screwed on the vertical column, tightened that down. Once that was fixed, I then slid down the swivel arm into place, adjusting for the right height, then tightened that down. I mounted the light panel into the locking system. After that, I just plugged it in, hit the light switch, which is conveniently situated underneath the dial, and bingo, let there be light. The Verge Max is only a 60-watt light, so it cannot compete with the sun directly, but I found if I'm ever in a pinch and I need just a little extra light during, say, a Zoom call in the day, for me at least, it helps when I'm constantly backlit. There are only 2 dials located at the front, allowing me to easily control the color temperature and brightness based on my time of day. If I was looking to control the light remotely, then there's the Amaran app, which is available both on Android and iOS. With Bluetooth on, I found it very straightforward to find the Verge Max and connect to it. It's intuitive to use with a pre-built series of light temperature settings to choose from. And it also comes with some built-in effects, including strobe, which I would advise you should never use. I have only been using it for a couple of weeks, but it's exactly what I was hoping for. A clean, simple plug-and-play lighting setup that can be adjusted without too much faff. I I've been able to reclaim back some space. It has reduced my recording setup time, meaning I can shoot more quickly, and it looks pretty nice. Overall, this is a much added improvement and allows me to keep my focus on other areas. I hope you found this little meander insightful, and I'll see you in the next one.